Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Educationopedia, the future of education. Today we are going to deal with the topic country, parliament, capital and currency. So one by one we will be seeing all the countries, then there are the parliaments and the capital of that country, and finally the currency of the country. Let's start. First country what we are having is the Afghanistan. Its parliament is Shura and the capital is Kabul and the currency is Afghani. Next to that, Australia, the parliament there present is known as the federal, and its capital is Canberra, and the currency which is used there is Australian dollar. Next to that, we are having Argentina. Argentina, the parliament is National Congress of Argentina, and the capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires, and the currency which is used there is peso and dollar sign. Next country we are having Algeria. In Algeria we are having the parliament as National People's Assembly, and the capital of Algeria is Algiers, and the currency which is used there is Algerian dinar. Next to that we are having Angola. Angola, the parliament which is present there is the National Assembly, and the capital of that country is Luanda, and the currency which is used there is the new Kwanza. Next to that we are having Armenia. The national parliament present in Armenia is your National Assembly of the Republic of Armenia, and the capital is Yerevan, and the currency which is used there is dram. Next to that we are having the country Azerbaijan. The parliament is their National Assembly, and the capital of Azerbaijan is Baku, and the currency which is used there is Azerbaijan manat. Next to that we are having Australia. Australia, not Austria, and in Austria we are having Austrian parliament. Next, the capital of the Austria is your Vienna, and the currency which is used there is euro. Next to that we are having Brazil. In Brazil we are having the parliament as National Congress of Brazil, and the capital of Brazil is Brasilia, and the currency which is used there is Guzeiro Real. Next is your Bulgaria. The parliament there is National Assembly, and the capital of Bulgaria is Sofia, and the currency used there is lev. Next to that we are having Belgium. Belgium, the parliament present there is federal, and the capital is the city of Brussels, and the currency used there is euro. Next to that we are having Bahrain. Bahrain is there, Bahrain or Bahrain you can call it as. The Bahrain is there, the parliament present there is your National Assembly, and the capital of Bahrain is your Manama, and the currency used there is dinar. Next to that we are having Bangladesh, and the parliament is your Jatiya Sanshad. Next is your the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, and the currency used there is taka. Next to that Bhutan. Bhutan we are having the parliament as National Assembly, that is known as Shogru. Next to the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu, and the currency used there is Gultram. Next to that we are having Britain. In Britain we are having the parliament, and the parliament both with the commons and the lords, and the capital of Britain is London, and the currency used there is pound. Next to that we are having the China, which is having the parliament as National People's Congress, and the capital of China is Beijing, and the currency used there is renminbi or yuan. Next to that we are having Colombia. Colombia we are having the parliament as Congress of Colombia, and the capital of Colombia is Bogota. Next, the currency used there is peso. Next we are having Cuba, and the capital of Cuba is parliament of Cuba is National Assemblies of People's Power, and the capital of Cuba is Havana, and the currency used there is peso. Next to that we are having Costa Rica. Costa Rica country is having its parliament as a legislative assembly, and the capital of Costa Rica is San Jose, and the currency which is used there is Cologne. Next is your Croatia, and the parliament of Croatia is known as the Croatian Parliament, and the capital of Croatia is Zagreb, and the currency used there is kuna. Next to that we are having Cyprus, and the parliament is the House of Representatives, and the capital is Nicosia, and the currency used there is the Cyprus pound. Next is your Czech Republic. Czech Republic, the parliament is the parliament itself, and the capital of Czech Republic is Prague, and currency used is koruna. Next is your Canada. Canada, the capital of Canada is your Ottawa, and the parliament is parliament itself, and the currency used there is Canadian dollar. Next is your Denmark. The parliament is the Folketing, and the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen, where the Copenhagen summit took place, and the currency used there is krone. Next to that we are having Egypt. Egypt is having the parliament as People's Assembly, and the capital of Egypt is Cairo, and the currency used there is Egyptian pound. Next to that we are having the France. In France we are having the parliament as National Assembly, and the capital of France is Paris, and the currency used there is euro. Next to that we are having Germany, and the parliament of Germany is known as Bundestag, and the capital of Germany is Berlin, very famous city, and the currency of Germany is euro. Next to that we are having Greenland. Greenland is having its parliament as Landstrude, and the capital is Nuuk, and the currency which is used there is your Danish krone. Denmark is there, that's why Danish. Okay. Next the Ghana. Ghana, the parliament, its parliament itself, and the capital of Ghana is Accra, and currency used is Cedi. Next is your Georgia. Georgia, the parliament of Georgia is parliament itself, and the capital is Tbilisi, T will be silent here, and the currency used there is lari. Next to that we are having Hungary. Hungary is having the parliament as National Assembly, or it is known as Országgyűlés, and the capital is Budapest, and the currency used is forint. Next we are having the Iran. In Iran we are having the parliament which is known as Majlis, and the capital of Iran is Tehran, and the currency used there is Rial. Next to that Iraq, the capital is the parliament is the National Assembly, and capital of Iraq is Baghdad, and the currency used there is dinar, the gold coins. Next is your Israel. Israel, the parliament is your Knesset, K with silent, and the capital is Jerusalem, and the currency used there is shekel. Next we are having Indonesia, and the Parliament of Indonesia is People's Representative Council, and the country which is the place which is the capital of Indonesia is your Jakarta, and the currency used there is rupiah. Next is your Iceland. Iceland, the parliament is Althing, and the capital is Reykjavik, and the currency used there is krona. Next to that India. In India we are having the parliament composing of both Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, and the capital of India is New Delhi, and the currency used there is rupee. Next to that we are having Japan. In Japan we are having the parliament as National Diet, and the capital of Japan is Tokyo, and the currency used there is yen. Next to that we are having Kuwait. In Kuwait we are having parliament as Majlis Al Ummah, that is the National Assembly of Kuwait, and the capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City, and the currency which is used in Kuwait is Kuwait dinar, again the gold coin. Next is your Korea. Korea is having its parliament as National Assembly, and its capital is Seoul, and the currency used there is won. Next to that we are having Kazakhstan. In Kazakhstan we are having the parliament as parliament itself, and the capital is Astana, and the currency used there is teng. Next to that we are having the country Latvia, and in Latvia we are having the parliament as Seima, and after that we are having the capital of Latvia as Riga, and the currency used there is euro. Next to that we are having Libya. Libya is having the parliament as General People's Congress, and its capital is Tripoli, and the currency used there is Libyan dinar. Next to that we are having Malaysia. In Malaysia we are having the parliament as parliament itself, and the capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, and the currency used there is ringgit. Next to that Mexico, we are having Congress of the Union as the parliament, and the capital is the Mexico City, and currency used there is peso. Next to that we are having Myanmar. In Myanmar we are having the parliament as People's Assembly, and the capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw, and the currency used there is kyat. Next to that we are having Mongolia. In Mongolia we are having the state Great Khural as the parliament. Next to that we are having the capital as Ulaanbaatar, and the currency used there is Tugrek. Next to that we are having the capital country as Maldives, and the parliament of Maldives is known as Majlis, and the capital of Maldives is Malé, and the currency used there is rufiya. Okay, rupiah. So these are the different names. So it's having its currency as rufiya. Next you are having Norway, and its parliament is the Storting or the Sterling, and it is having its capital as Oslo, and the currency used there is krone again. Next to that we are having Nepal. In Nepal we are having the national panchayat as the parliament. Next the capital is at Kathmandu, and the currency used there is again rupee, that is the Nepal rupee. Next to that we are having Netherlands. In Netherlands we are having the States General as the parliament. Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands, and the currency used there is euro. Next to that we are having Poland. In Poland we are having the parliament as Zem. Next is your after parliament we are having the capital, which is known as the Warsaw, and the currency used there is Polish zloty. Next to that we are having Russia. In Russia we are having the State Duma as the parliament. Moscow is the capital of Russia, and ruble is used as the currency in Russia. Next we are having Oman. In Oman we are having the parliament as Majlis, and the capital of Oman is Muscat, and the currency used there is Rial Oman. Next to that we are having Pakistan. In Pakistan we are having the parliament as the National Assembly, and the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, and the currency used there is Pakistani rupee. Next to that we are having Spain. In Spain we are having the parliament as the Cortes, and the capital of Spain is Madrid, and the currency used there is euro. Next to that we are having Switzerland. In Switzerland we are having the parliament as federal, and we are having after parliament what we are having is the capital of the country, that is Canton of Bern, and the currency used there is Swiss franc. Next to that we are having Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia we are having the consultative assembly as the parliament of that country, and the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh, and the currency used is Riyal. Next to that we are having South Africa, and here we are having the parliament known as the House of Assembly, Pretoria Executive, Bloemfontein Judicial, and Cape Town Legislative, and the currency used there is your rand. Okay, next thing here it is separated into three parts, so it is important to keep it in mind. Next we are having the Sweden, and the capital parliament of Sweden is known as the Riksdag, and the capital of Sweden is Stockholm, and the currency used there is krona. Next to that we are having Sri Lanka, and the parliament is national state. Sri Jayawardene Kotte, Colombo is the capital, and national state Sri Jayawardene Kotte is your parliament, and Colombo is the capital, and Sri Lankan rupee is the currency. Next is you are having Sudan. In Sudan we are having the National Assembly as the parliament. Khartoum is the capital, and Sudanese pound is the currency used there. Next to that we are having Syria. In Syria we are having the parliament as People's Council, and the capital of Syria is Damascus, and the currency used there is Syrian pound. Next is your Taiwan. In Taiwan we are having your parliament as Yuan, and after Yuan we are having, after Taiwan the capital is Yuan, and the parliament is Yuan, and Taipei is the what we say, we are having Taipei as the capital of that country, and New Taiwan dollar is the currency used there. Next to that we are having Turkey. In Turkey we are having the Grand National Assembly as the parliament of Turkey, and Ankara is the capital of Turkey, and Turkish lira is the currency of that country. Next is UK, United Kingdom. We are having the parliament as parliament there, and London is the capital of United Kingdom, and pound sterling is the currency used there. Next, USA, United States of America, is having the parliament as the Congress, and Washington DC is the capital of America, and dollar is the currency used there. Next is your Vatican City State, that is having Vatican City States, that is its capital is its parliament is the Pontifical Commission for VCS, and the capital of this country is Rome, and the currency used here is lira. And finally Vietnam is there. In Vietnam we are having the parliament as National Assembly, and National Assembly. After that we are having Hanoi. Hanoi is having its what we say, the capital is there, and dong is the currency used there. So this was all about the different countries, their national assemblies, their capital, and the currencies. I hope you will get benefited by this video, and stay tuned for the next video, and keep on watching, and keep on liking the channel. Thank you.